Zekeleke, zukuluku, zekuku, lekwadoko, zetete. See my people, Make I sing for you people. What I'm crying? Hey! What I'm crying? What I'm crying? I don't come again. Yes, what I'm crying? I don't come again. Yes, my name still remains Salasema What? Yes, I am the what I'm crying. Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? All the people went there for their house now and there for their conscious place for work, place of work. They watch me, they open eye, they look at me, they see what I do. See, I'm not gonna change. I stand not here but to bring to the way the company of the way that make you the mesmerize. Yes, my name is Salasema White. Nothing can change this. Even as people try to rubbish it on them and try to put it under the mud and try to cover it with the sand. I come out, I talk, sir. Nothing is going to be strong with anybody. Nothing is strong with me. Nothing is wrong. See, my people of God, my people of the Obodo Nigeria, my people of the Obodo the world, yes, everywhere where you there, open your eye, they watch me. See, I bring the ganja story. That is why I carry come today. He dey pay me. I want to know the reason why I never come here. Come give you a story. Where go the story? Are you there? Are you there? See, as it is now, see, I come warn everybody. Everybody wait there for this life. Where they watching me? Everybody wait from that for where there. Where they watching me? Where open eye? They watching me. They watching me. Sit down for your chair. They watching me. Lie down for your bed. They watching me. You sit down for. You dey press your system now. You dey watching me. They say what you want talk. What is it about to talking? See, my people are the one. It's a very good warning. Now I can't come here. Oh God, the people don't finish for this world. People don't finish for this world. If you think say you got friend, carry on your computer. On your computer, put on for your eye. You look at your friend the way you talk say you be your friend. Or that person where you look up to talk say, but my body be this one. And the person who I want to do things with his name be this one. Make you carry on your computer, make you the water, make you the look at. Because that person when you talk, say na your friend, if you talk to your Judas, if he betray you tomorrow, if he betray you, listen, I dey tell you now something what happened to me personally. Oh God, I dey wonder why Burna Boy dey sing last, he don't cast. Now me, I don't chop the breakfast. I chop the breakfast, so breakfast not be only for people when they into relationship. That your best friend. That your friend when you call say na your good friend. That your good colleague for your place of work. That's the way they give you breakfast to chop. If you chop breakfast for morning, if you chop on for afternoon, if you chop on for night, it depends on the time when you chop your own. Breakfast is breakfast. Last. You don't cast. Now me, I don't chop breakfast. Are you there? Are you there? See, my people and my people. Please, and please. Oh, and I beg you, please, mind the people where they talk say, now person where they inside, now they carry enemy where they outside, enter house. That person where you talk say, they tell your security, you they tell them as they do you, as your nash, take they scratch you, you they tell them everything as they worry you. My brother and my sister, I am warning you. When that person go stop on your call, when that person go tell you say, you dey grace, you think say I be your friend, or yeah, look me now, look me. I will go report you to your enemies. They will come and disgrace you. See, the people when you tell your secret, they go come carry your yash, put them for outside. They go say, look him. He's a fair guy. He's yellow. People talk say he yellow, say he fine, but the center of his yash is black. They come and say, see the center of the yash, see the center of the yash. People come to look at, come to choke nail, come to choke something, come to tell them say, you are not fine. See the center of your yash, go and bleach it. See, my advice for everybody. At the close eye, they give this advice. I beg, Mama, Papa, I beg, brother and sister, I am telling you, as a brother, Salasema White, I am telling you, I am warning you. Please, mind the people you tell your secret. Mind the people you tell your secret. They carry on your computer. Look your friend well, whether not true friend or bitter, now enemy in disguise. You don't hear me? Oh, tell your colleague for office. Look and well. Say, I fit this one, any secret, make you no go reveal am. Look down, what a while. Now the only thing what I can give you today na advice day. Today na warning day. I'm advising you, I am warning you. My brother, use your head to do something. Use your head. The love of many don't watch code. Use your head. Use your head. Are you there? Are you there? Yes, I talk so. Salah say so white. I am the water crier. If the thing what they do, they sweet you. They make you they laugh. They make you they open teeth. They make you they drink tombo and talk more. I'm telling you, please. Kia. Run. Don't look back. Run. Run to Sorom Chia TV. Yes, run to Sorom Chia TV. You will see plenty of it there. If not for Facebook, run to that place and follow me. If not for Instagram, quickly, go to Sorom Chia TV and follow me. If not YouTube, you and TV. If not YouTube, my brother and my sister, go and subscribe. Are you there? With this one, this little advice of mine, I know I have been able to convince you and not to confuse you. My brother, my sisters, we are going. We shall come back with plenty story. This one, I just say make I advise you. Advise you. Let us go and drink. Let's drink some more and talk some more. Are you there?